Today at Rap4, we are going to show you the new T68 magazine-fed AK47. With the new design, you can now take a CO2 bottle or a compressed air and screw it straight into the back of the marker. Once that is done, you can take the folding stock, move it back into position, and lock it in tight. Then, you take the standard T68 magazine, load it into the magazine well, lock it back, you're ready to go shoot. Now with the new AK-47 hand grips, the pistol grip, the rear and front sight, we are ready to test fire the new AK-47. The new AK-47, putting paintballs down range and on target.